Ketones. Myself, Dr. DIGNA VARGHESE. Ketones. Here you can see the general formula of a ketone, RCOR-. The carbonyl group is bonded to two carbon atoms in a ketone. So it can be written in a general formula like this, RCOR-, where R and R' denote the alkyl groups or aryl groups. Here you can see the R and R' is the same methyl group. It is known as acetone. Here you can see the R is methyl, R' is phenyl, so it is acetophenone. Here you can see both R and R' is phenyl group, that is benzophenone. So this ketone is known as butanone, and here you can see a substituted butanone. The IUPAC naming of the compound CH3COCH3, that is acetone, in common name, its IUPAC name is propanone because it contains 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms in the main chain, so it is propanone. Here you can see CH3, CH2, COCH3, that is butanone. If it contains 5 carbon atoms, it will call pentanone. Here you can see the main chain contains 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 3-methyl butanone. 3-methyl butanone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 3-methyl butanone. It is propanone, it is butanone, it is 3-methyl butanone. What about this compound? It is CH3CO CH3. We can say that 1-phenyl ethanone. Okay, otherwise we can say that acetophenone. It is diphenyl methanone or benzophenone. Diphenyl methanone or benzophenone. Preparation of ketones. First method is the oxidation of secondary alcohols. The reagent used here for the oxidation process, which is similar for the formation of aldehydes by the oxidation of primary alcohols. For the preparation of ketones, we can use secondary alcohols which undergo oxidation by the reagent potassium permanganate in acid medium or acidified potassium dichromate, or we can use chromium trioxide in anhydrous medium. So the general reaction is the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is that the OH containing carbon group attached to two carbon compound or carbon groups. Okay, so it is a secondary alcohol which undergo oxidation by using any of these reagents and forming a ketone and water. Here you can see secondary alcohol, that is 2-propanol undergo oxidation and we will get acetone or propanone and water. by using any of these reagents. Secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone. In this method, we can use secondary alcohol. It is cyclohexenol, which undergo oxidation reaction using PCC in dichloromethane. It will form cyclohexenone. PCC is pyridinium chlorochromate, that is, chromium trioxide forms complex with pyridine. PCC in dichloromethane, or we can use PCC in chloroform for the oxidation process. So, the secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone by using PCC in dichloromethane. This is another method for the preparation of ketone. And the third method is the dehydrogenation of prime secondary alcohols. The reagent is copper at 573 Kelvin or silver at 573 Kelvin. That we can use secondary alcohol undergo oxidation, which is passed over heated copper or heated silver and forming ketone. Here you can see 3-pentanol, which undergo oxidation. The secondary alcohol passed over heated copper or silver and forming corresponding ketone. In this method, hydrogen is removed. Okay, the secondary alcohol undergo oxidation by passing over heated copper or silver. It will remove hydrogen and forming ketone. So it is dehydrogenation of secondary alcohols and forming ketone. Thank you for your attention.